Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to print PDF double-sided. To start, open the PDF file and review the pages. After this, click on the print icon. Here, select the printer to use. In some printers, you will see a direct option to print double-sided, but in others, we must click on the Properties option. Now in the two-sided printing field, you are going to select one of the available options to activate it. You can click on Settings to configure some aspects of double-sided printing. Click OK. You can click on the Print button. This will send the first sheet, and when it has printed, you will see a message telling you how to insert the sheet into the printer for the next side. Click Resume to complete this. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.